On a rainy night, under a lonely streetlight, a young man named Ethan found a shivering puppy. He knelt down, smiled, and reached out his hand. And in that moment, two hearts met forever. Ethan took the little one home, gave him warmth, and named him Shadow. Day by day, they grew together, running in the park, sharing laughter, chasing dreams beneath the sun. They weren't just a boy and his dog. They were family. Through quiet evenings and gentle sunsets, Shadow never left Ethan's side until one stormy night when Ethan slipped by the river. Shadow ran through the darkness and brought help. Years passed. Ethan grew older, and so did Shadow. Even when time took Shadow away, his loyalty never faded, because some friendships live forever in the heart.